Today, I'm sharing my top 5 tips for staying motivated to work out, even on those days when it feels impossible. Tip number 1. Set small, achievable goals. It's really easy to get discouraged when you're focusing on huge goals like losing 20 pounds or running a marathon. Instead, focus on small, daily, or weekly goals that are within reach. It could be as simple as working out for 20 minutes a day or trying a new exercise each week. These small victories will keep you feeling accomplished and motivated to push forward. Tip number 2. Find a workout you enjoy. The truth is, if you hate your workouts, you're not going to stick with them. Find something that excites you, whether it's weightlifting, dancing, yoga, or a fun class. When you actually enjoy the activity, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're way more likely to stick with it. Tip number 3. Create a consistent routine. Consistency is key. Try to work out at the same time every day or on certain days of the week. When it becomes part of your routine, you don't even have to think about it. It just becomes a natural part of your day. Scheduling workouts like appointments helps you stay committed. Tip number 4. Reward yourself. Celebrate your milestones, whether it's completing a week of workouts or hitting a fitness goal. Give yourself a little reward, like a new workout outfit or a relaxing bath. This positive reinforcement can make a big difference in keeping your motivation high. Tip number 5. Focus on how you feel, not just how you look. Remember, fitness is about more than just aesthetics. Pay attention to how your body feels. More energy, better mood, stronger muscles. When you shift your focus to how exercise improves your overall well-being, you'll find that staying motivated becomes easier. And those are my top 5 tips for staying motivated to work out. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and share your favorite workout tips in the comments below. And if you're serious about taking your fitness and healthy eating to the next level, check out my Fitness Plus Healthy Eating ebook. It's packed with easy-to-follow workouts, delicious meal ideas, and more strategies to keep you motivated. You can find the link to grab your copy in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.